some of the components that are purchased to charge the lithium batteries, setting it up on the bench just to kind of understand where everything goes, some of the crimping of the cables that need to be made depending on what they connect to. If they're connecting to the bus bar or the actual component, I have to pay attention to how it actually connects to it. In these components, a ferrule is the best connector. Keeps it so that when it's secured, it doesn't separate the strands from the cable. Keeps them all contained. I figure this is the best application for this. Tighten it up with a screwdriver. Clamps down on the ferrule and it doesn't separate the cable strands from each other, making it compress. Kind of shows the little opening. It's like a square opening, and as you tighten it up, there's a bar that closes and clamps upon the connectors. So that's why I chose ferrules. Here are the dies for the crimper that I was using to install the ferrule on. Some material that was started with. That's 6 gauge tinned marine grade cable. Everything is marine grade, copper with tin. Even the connectors, these are some of the lugs. The layout on the bench makes it easy to duplicate, understand how everything goes from one thing to the next, how much space I need in the trailer. Here are the components connected. All the cables are labeled, identified. Almost ISO compliant. I also have to connect some cables to the truck because it's going to connect to one of these and charge while it's towing.